My name is Zivira Reddy, lecturer in computer, Government Degree College, Sattupalli. Today my topic is multimedia. What is a multimedia? Multimedia means that computer information can be represented through audio, video, animation, and in addition to traditional media, that is text, graphics, and images. This is multimedia. Multimedia means the computer information can be represented through audio, video, animation, and text and images. This is called as multimedia. Multimedia is the field concerned with the computer controlled integration of text, graphics, drawing, still and moving images like videos, animation, audio, and any other media where every type of information can be represented, stored, transmitted, and processed digitally. In a multimedia is a media that uses multiple form of information, content, and information processing. Multimedia is a media that uses multiple form of information, content, and information processing. The history of multimedia. Multimedia is a media that uses multiple form of information, content, and information processing. The basic elements of multimedia: text, graphics, animation, video, audio. The basic element multimedia is the text. Text characters that are used to create words, sentences, and paragraph. Here, titles. Multimedia is a rich medium. This is the sentence, monitor, keyboard, mouse, speakers. These are all the text written here. And graphics, a digital representation of non-text information such as drawing, chart, or photography. This is the graphics. And the basic elements of multimedia is, other one is animation. The next one is multimedia. Flipping through a series of still images, it is a series of graphics that create an illusion of motion. Next one is video. Photographic images that are played back at speed of 15 to 30 frames a second and provide the appearance of full motion. Audio, music, speech, or any other sound. Categorization. Two types of multimedia presentations: linear presentation and non-linear interactive. Categorization: linear, active content progresses often without any navigational control for the viewing, such as a cinema presentation. Non-linear, user interactivity to control progress as with a video game or self-paced computer-based training. Hypermedia, it is a example of non-linear content. Usage. Multimedia finds its application in various areas, including but not limited to advertisement, art, education, environment, entertainment, engineering, medicine, mathematics, business, and scientific researches. In education, multimedia can be used as a source of information. Students can search encyclopedias such as Encyclopedia, which provide facts on a variety of different topics using multimedia presentations. Teachers can be use multimedia presentation to make lesson more interactive by using animation to highlight or demonstrate key points. And multimedia presentation can also make it easier for people to read text rather than trying to read the teacher's writing on the board. Programs which show pictures and text. Children are reading a story can help them learn to read. These two are the form of multimedia presentations. Here, in the usage of multimedia, particularly in education, it is presentation every topic or every lesson, or particularly for the children's, it is very useful. The lesson in the form of presentation, the students are easy to understand and interesting to attract. Programs are on pictures and text. The programs must be in the text and images or pictures. The children are reading stories can help them learn and read. This is the use of multimedia. Multimedia is also used in advertising and selling products on their internet. Some business are multimedia for training where CD-ROM online tutorials allow self to learn at their own speed. At a suitable time to the staff and company. Other benefit is here multimedia is use of advertising and selling products on the internet. Some business use of multimedia for training, online tutorials, learning their own speed, and at the suitable time to the staff and the company. Another benefit is in advertisements we seen in the internet or in TVs, the maximum animation or graphics can be used in the advertisements. It is more benefits in advertisements. Another benefit is that the company do not have to pay the additional expenses of an employee attending a course away from the workplace. People use the internet for wide range of reasons, including shopping and finding out about their hobbies. The internet has many multimedia elements enabled in the web pages, and web browsers support a variety of multimedia formats. Many computer games use soundtrack, 3D graphics, and video clippings. Here, computer based trainings, here, teaching guide, here, references, entertainments, simulations, virtual realities, visual surgery, information, ISCO. The advantages of the it is very user friendly. It doesn't take much energy out of the user in this sense that you can sit and watch the presentation, you can read the text and then hear to video. It is multi sensorial. It uses a lot of the user's senses, which makes use of multimedia. For example, hearing, seeing, and talking. It is integrated and interactive. All the different mediums are integrated through the digitization process. Interactivity is heightened by the possibility of easy feedback. It is flexible. Being digital is the media can easily be changed to fit different situations and audiences. It can be used for a wide variety of audience ranging from one person to whole group. In this multimedia, we have a disadvantage also. Information overload, because it is so easy to use. It can contain too much information at once. It takes time to complete. Even though it is flexible, it takes time to put the original draft together. Here, Information overload. The disadvantage is information overload. It's so easy to use. It is easy to use. The information means the wanted unwanted information to be used. That can be too much information at once. It is downloaded large amount data unnecessarily. It takes time to complete the work. Even though it is flexible, it takes time to put the original draft together. It can be expensive. I mentioned in one of my previous posts, multimedia makes use of the wide range of resources, which can cost a large amount of money, because we have to update or purchase a new system and multimedia supported system and multimedia softwares. At the same time, we have to purchase the multimedia hardware components along with the system. So it is a very costly to purchase these products. Then too much makes it unpractical. Large files like video and audio has an effect of the time it takes for your presentation to load. Adding too much can mean that you have to use large computer to store the files. In storage, you have to store a large amount of data in a system, because the videos, animations and audios are saved in a large amount of data. Delivering multimedia. Multimedia can deliver using optical disc, CD based, over a distributed network, web based. Optical disc, the most cost effective method of delivering of multimedia materials. Optical disc, the devices are used to store large amount of some combination of text, graphics, sound and moving videos. Optical disc, compact disc, CD or DVD or BD. Distributed network, suitable for web-based content, example website. Files need to be compressed before transfer. Web-based and CD-based, limited in picture size and low video resolution, can store high-end multimedia elements, can be changes, damaged or deleted by irresponsible individuals. Here can be permanently stored and not changeable in the CDs. Web-based information can be updated easily and cheaper. CD-based information can be quickly outdated. These are the delivering the multimedia. Here once again you see the multimedia. Multimedia means that a computer information can be represented through audio, video and animation, text, images. Multimedia is a media that uses the multiple form of information. The multiple form, That means the multimedia uses text, graphics, audio, video like any form content and information processing. The basic elements is text, graphics, animation, video and audio. The basic elements of multimedia, first one is the text, where text also uses in different formats and text sizes, font styles, font sizes, font colors, font animations, font directions and different scrollings and attractive styles of the fonts in the text. This is the here only see the titles and small sizes. Here next one is the graphics. The graphic is a digital representation of non-text information, such as a drawing, a chart or a photograph. Is draw through system and add graphics. If in the first picture we have to add graphics to the first picture, the water flow is look like flows the water, and the third image is also we have to animate that graphic in graphics. Animation flipping through the series of still images. It is a series of graphics that create a illusion of motion. It is the here the globe, it moves, or still images can be created as the motion images. The basic elements of multimedia, another one is the video. Video is the elements is animation and video. Videographic images that are played back at speeds of 15 to 30 frames a second, and the video provide the appearance of full motion. Then audio, music, speech or any other sound. The two types of multimedia presentations are linear presentation and non-linear presentation or interactivity. Categorization: the active content progresses often without any navigational control for the view, such as cinema presentation. Non-linear means user interactivity to control progress, as with a video game, self-placed computer-based trainings like that, where the multimedia is to be used: advertisement, art, education, entertainment, engineering, medicine, mathematics, business and scientific reasons. The usage is: in education, multimedia can be used as a source of information. Students can search and it facts variety of different topics, and in schools, it is in education, it is very useful, because in education the multimedia represents the pictures, videos, particularly for children. It is most useful to learn the in different ways. Advertisement is also a useful in multimedia. Then it is a teaching aids and reference, attainment, simulations, virtual reality, virtual surgery, information किसको advertisement of using multimedia. It is user friendly, take energy out of the users. It is since you can read the text and then and hear the audio. It is in a integrated and interactive. All the different mediums are interacted through the digitization process. Interactivity is possibility of easy feedbacks. It is flexible, being digital. This media can also easily to change the fit different situations and audiences. Advantages of using multimedia: It is used a variety of audience ranging from one person to whole group. It takes to time to complete. Even though it is flexible, it takes time to put the original draft together. It can be expensive, as mentioned in one of my previous posts. Such makes the unpractical large files like videos, audios. Delivering multimedia can be delivered using a optical disc or over a distributed network, that is web based. This is optical or web based. Optical discs are CDs, DVDs and BDs. Delivering multimedia. Distributed network suitable for web based content websites. Files need to be compressed before transfer. With the web based and CD based, the differences here. This is the delivering type of multimedia. Overall, the multimedia, this is the only introduction part of the multimedia. This is uses of multimedia and content of the multimedia and how to share the multimedia and multimedia. In this multimedia paper, you have to learn about these 4 contents: text, graphic, 5 contents, particularly text, graphics, animation, video and audio. These 5 are the full components in multimedia. These elements are to be learned individually in different videos. So today's topic is, this is only introduction about the multimedia. Thank you.